In the world of insects, there is an incredible diversity of species. From tiny ants to imposing hornets, many of them are harmless to humans, but among them are species capable of causing serious harm or even death. In this article, we explore 10 of the most dangerous insects on the planet, which pose a significant threat to human health and life. 1. Malaria mosquito, Anopheles species. At first glance, this tiny mosquito seems harmless. Yet it is the deadliest insect on the planet. The malaria mosquito transmits Plasmodium parasites, which cause malaria, a disease that claims hundreds of thousands of lives annually, particularly in Africa and Southeast Asia. The infection manifests with high fever, chills, headaches, and in severe cases can be fatal. What makes this insect particularly dangerous is its ability to locate hosts effectively and penetrate the skin, releasing parasites directly into the bloodstream. Malaria mosquitoes are mostly active at dusk and during the night, making protection against bites especially challenging. 2. Tsetse fly, Glossina species. These African flies are notorious as carriers of sleeping sickness, or African trypanosomiasis. The disease is caused by the parasite Trypanosoma brucei, which attacks the central nervous system. In the early stages, it causes fever, muscle pain, and fatigue. Without timely treatment, the disease progresses, disturbing sleep, coordination, and cognitive functions, ultimately resulting in death. Tsetse flies are aggressive. They feed on the blood of humans and animals, making them highly effective vectors of infection. 3. Black widow, Latrodectus species. Black widows are among the most well-known venomous spiders. Despite their small size, their bite can be deadly, particularly for vulnerable groups such as children and the elderly. The black widow's venom contains neurotoxins that affect the nervous system, causing pain, spasms, nausea, and elevated blood pressure. Interestingly, these spiders rarely attack first. Bites usually occur when humans accidentally come into contact with them. Several species of black widow spiders exist worldwide, except in Antarctica. 4. Botfly, Dermatobia hominis. Botflies have an unusual reproductive strategy. They lay their eggs on the skin of animals and humans. The larvae, once hatched, burrow into the skin, causing painful inflammation, infections, and severe itching. If the larva is not removed in time, the wound can become chronically infected. This behavior makes botflies particularly unpleasant and dangerous, especially in the tropical forests of Central and South America, where they are native. 5. Bullet ant, Paraponera clavata. This South American ant is nicknamed the bullet ant due to the incredible pain of its sting. Often compared to being shot, its venom contains neurotoxins that trigger excruciating pain, rapid heartbeat, and swelling. In rare cases for individuals with allergies, a sting can lead to anaphylactic shock and death. Bullet ants inhabit the tropical rainforests of the Amazon, and their aggressive behavior makes them dangerous to anyone who crosses their path. 6. Scorpion fly, Panorpa species. Scorpion flies are not among the most famous human threats, but they secrete venom capable of paralyzing small animals, and in rare instances, humans. These insects feed on carrion and small invertebrates, and their venom is primarily for hunting and defense. While serious cases of paralysis in humans are extremely rare, contact still requires caution. 7. Asian giant hornet, Vespa mandarinia. Known as the murder hornet, the Asian giant hornet is considered the largest and most aggressive member of the wasp family. Its sting is excruciatingly painful and contains toxic compounds that can provoke severe allergic reactions and even death in hypersensitive individuals. In recent years, these hornets have begun appearing outside Asia, raising concern among biologists and local populations. They aggressively defend their nests and can attack in groups, which makes them particularly dangerous. 8. Tarantula, Theraphosidae. Tarantulas are large spiders inhabiting tropical and subtropical regions. Their bites are rarely fatal to humans, but their venom contains biologically active compounds that can cause pain, swelling, and allergic reactions. Some tarantula species may behave aggressively if threatened, and their impressive size and powerful jaws enhance their potential danger. 9. Dengue mosquito, Aedes aegypti. Mosquitoes of the Aedes genus, particularly Aedes aegypti, are responsible for spreading several dangerous viral diseases: dengue fever, yellow fever, chikungunya, and Zika virus. These illnesses can cause high fever, joint pain, rashes, and in some cases, death. These mosquitoes are active during the day, which increases the risk of human bites, and their ability to reproduce quickly makes controlling their populations challenging. 10. Red imported fire ant, Solenopsis invicta. Red fire ants are notorious for their aggression and ability to attack humans in swarms. Their stings cause intense pain, itching, and inflammation. For people allergic to their venom, stings can be fatal. Fire ants rapidly expand into new territories, making them a significant ecological and medical concern in several countries. These 10 insects share not only the potential danger to humans, but also unique survival strategies, environmental adaptations, and defensive behaviors. Each of these creatures plays a role in the ecosystem. Malaria mosquitoes are part of the food chain. Tsetse flies regulate animal populations, and hornets and ants maintain balance between other insects and plants. The danger these species pose also highlights the importance of precautionary measures. In tropical regions, it is essential to use repellents, nets, and protective clothing. Prompt medical attention is crucial in the event of bites from venomous insects. Advances in medical technology, vaccination, and vector control help reduce mortality from dangerous insect bites, but the risk can never be entirely eliminated. Interestingly, some of these insects have become subjects of scientific research. For example, studying black widow and tarantula venom has contributed to the development of medications for pain relief and neuropathies. Bullet ants inspire research into pain mechanisms and nervous system protection. Even mosquitoes that transmit malaria and dengue are being targeted in genetic studies and biological population control methods. In today's world, globalization and climate change are expanding the ranges of these insects. Asian giant hornets are appearing in new regions, malaria mosquitoes are altering their geographic spread, and fire ants are rapidly colonizing territories outside South America. This underscores the need for constant monitoring and preparedness for emerging threats. Yet danger is not always measured in fatalities. Many bites cause severe pain, allergic reactions, infections, and psychological discomfort. People living in regions with high concentrations of dangerous insects learn to coexist with them, developing strategies to avoid contact. This reflects humanity's remarkable ability to adapt to a world where even the tiniest insect can pose a threat to life. Thus, the 10 insects described here are not merely dangerous creatures, but integral parts of complex ecosystems, each fulfilling its ecological function. Studying them helps humans understand biological processes, develop medical treatments and protective measures, and appreciate the astonishing diversity of nature. This list demonstrates how unpredictable and varied the natural world is. A tiny mosquito can be more dangerous than a giant spider, and a small fire ant more lethal than a hornet. The threat posed by these species reminds us that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on human life. In conclusion, knowledge and respect for these insects are key to survival and health. Each of us may encounter them in daily life or while traveling, and understanding their behavior, dangers, and precautions can prevent unpleasant or hazardous situations. The world of insects is full of mysteries and threats, and studying it provides not only knowledge, but also a deep appreciation for the remarkable complexity of life on our planet.